all of nature's beauty will definitely set the mood for the beholder. So have a seat and stay a while. The morning sky is clearing. The air is clear and brisk after the first snowfall of the year.
Nature has a way of blending many elements, creating surprising art forms across the land.
Follow the forest path to enchantment. One has to think, what wonders lie ahead?
Reflections in nature. One needs to pay attention to the small details.
The cool blue haze of snow-covered mountains turn into the warm colors of the evening sky on a winter's day at twilight. This seaside landmark has lots of tales to tell, but it's the lightkeepers that have all the best stories of its past. Wandering around nature's landscape can be a rewarding experience. This meadow view scene was a couple hundred yards ahead of me. Glad I made the effort to venture forward.
Amazing are the variety of colors, painting the evening sky during the golden hour.
It is always exciting to be in the mountains after Mother Nature puts on her beautiful winter coat. It's a silent, foggy morning in the redwood forest. Let's take a moment to gaze upon these majestic trees.
A full blue moon watching over the old oak stand on a winter's night.
Exploring this forest just off the coastline was a magical experience. It gave a feeling of being in a time long ago. It's our hope this journey through the moods of nature will truly inspire you to spend more time in nature's wonderland. It's out there waiting for you.